Let's make Korean chive pancakes and the dipping sauce. This is Chinese chives. This contains a lot of vitamins like vitamin K, calcium, iron, etc. It's really good for your skin, your body. Try it. It's got a head of chives. Let's add a bit heat. It's really hot. In a bowl, we're mixing all-purpose flour, cornstarch, oat, iced water. Mix well. Adding Chinese chives, onion, red pepper. Combine everything well. Now we are going to make dipping sauce. Adding soy sauce, rice vinegar, Korean chili flakes. This is optional. I like spicy. Give it a stir and it's done. So quick. When oil is hot, sprinkle pancake mixture. Make it even. Flip it over when one side is golden brown. Take it out when both sides are golden brown. So crispy, so healthy. I feel like I'm glowing.